Hey, I'm Derek from Armadillo Composite Decking. Adding fascia to your deck can give it a polished and complete look. In this video, I'll show you how to install these finishing touches and explain the benefits they provide. From protecting the edges of your deck to enhancing its aesthetic appeal, these elements are essential for a professional finish. Let's get started on perfecting your deck. So we're back here by our deck, and I want to show you a couple different things regarding our fascia. One of those things being, you can use it to finish stairs. This gives you a really nice clean look on the sides of your stairs. It matches the other faces of your deck. Another point to bring up is corners, fascia corners. Some folks will try to miter the fascia boards, and one of the issues with that is whenever you're dealing with composite, some of that miter can open up with different temperatures. So a way around that is you could take a piece of fascia board like this and you can cut it out in the middle so that you can fold it over and give yourself a nice clean fascia corner to hide those miters. Another thing that you'll want to take into consideration is the difference in screws. You've got a screw here that you'll use for composite decking, for top screwing, and then you've got a whole different screw that you're going to use for fascia. And the reason being, it's actually hung. It's not fastened right to the 2x12 underneath. So what this bit does is actually allows you to create a hole that's a little bit bigger than the head of the screw, so that when you put your screw in, the fascia is actually hung rather than fastened directly to that 2x12. One other thing I want to bring up to you as well is we're using black fascia for this project here today, but keep in mind, we have a color match fascia for every single color of deck board that we offer. Armadillo fascia is engineered to withstand the elements and maintain its appearance over time. Plus, it comes with a warranty that ensures long-lasting performance and gives you peace of mind. Fascia can complete the look of your deck, giving it a polished and professional appearance. Armadillo Deck has all the resources you need. Visit our website to explore more and give your deck a refined look. Let's add the perfect finishing touches to your deck.